The video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Lake Como, Italy. 1. Take a scenic ferry to the picturesque villages of Bellagio, Varenna, and Menaggio. Start your Lake Como adventure by hopping on a ferry. The lake is shaped like an upside-down Y, and the best way to explore it is by boat. Buy a day pass and hop on and off at the lake's most charming towns. Bellagio is called the Pearl of the Lake, sitting at the intersection of the lake's three legs. Its steep cobblestone lanes are lined with elegant shops and flower-draped balconies. Varenna is quieter and more romantic, with pastel-colored houses clinging to the rocky shore. Walk the famous Passeggiata degli Innamorati, Lover's Walk, a scenic path along the water. Menaggio has a lovely lakeside promenade with benches and cafes, perfect for people watching. 2. Tour the lavish gardens of Villa Carlotta in Tramezzo. Step into paradise at Villa Carlotta, a stunning 17th-century villa and botanical garden. This is one of the most visited attractions on the lake. The villa itself houses a small art collection, but the real star is its 17-acre garden. Spring is the most spectacular time to visit. Hundreds of rhododendrons and azaleas burst into bloom, creating a carpet of pink, purple, and white. The Italian-style garden features geometric hedges, statues, and a beautiful fountain. The bamboo garden feels like another world, with towering green stalks reaching toward the sky. You can also walk through a fern valley and a citrus garden filled with lemon trees. From the garden terraces, you get a breathtaking view across the lake to Bellagio. Plan to spend at least 2 hours wandering the paths. A combined ticket with a ferry ride is a smart way to save money. 3. Marvel at the grandeur of Villa del Balbianello in Leno. Take a short boat ride from Leno to reach Villa del Balbianello, one of the most romantic and iconic villas on Lake Como. The villa sits on a wooded promontory jutting out into the water. It is famous for its stunning loggia, a covered balcony with arched columns that frame the lake perfectly. Film buffs will recognize this location from the James Bond movie Casino Royale and Star Wars, Episode II, Attack of the Clones. You can tour the elegant interior, which is filled with antique furniture and exotic artifacts collected by the last owner, explorer Guido Monzino. The terraced gardens are immaculate, with manicured hedges and statues. The villa is only accessible by foot via a scenic woodland trail or by water taxi. 4. Ride the funicular from Como to the village of Brunate. Head to the city of Como, the largest town on the lake, and ride the funicular up to the mountain village of Brunate. The red cable car has been transporting visitors since 1894. The steep climb takes just 7 minutes, but the views are incredible. As you rise, the entire city of Como and the lake's southern branch spread out below you. At the top, at 715 meters, you can walk to the Faro Voltiano lighthouse. The lighthouse was built to honor Alessandro Volta, the inventor of the electric battery, who was born in Como. Climb the 143 steps to the top for a breathtaking 360-degree view. On a clear day, you can see the entire lake, the Swiss Alps, and even the skyscrapers of Milan on the horizon. Brunate is a quiet village with lovely hiking trails. Bring a jacket, as the top is often cooler than the lakeshore. 5. Explore the historic silk district in Como. Did you know that Como is a global center of silk production? This industry began in the 16th century and continues today. Visit the Silk Museum, Museo della Seda, to learn about the fascinating process. You will see silkworms, antique weaving looms, and samples of intricate silk fabrics. The museum is interactive and suitable for all ages. Many high-end fashion brands, including Gucci and Versace, source their silk from Como. If you want to shop, head to the stores near the cathedral. You can find beautiful silk scarves, ties, and clothing. For a deeper dive, book a tour of a working silk mill. Watching the massive jacquard looms weave complex patterns is mesmerizing. This is a unique cultural experience you will not find elsewhere in Italy. 6. Visit the Gothic Como Cathedral and the historic Centro Storico. Spend a morning exploring the historic center of the city of Como. The main attraction is the Duomo di Como, a stunning Gothic Renaissance cathedral built over 300 years. Its marble facade is covered with intricate carvings and statues. Inside, you will find beautiful tapestries, paintings, and a carved wooden choir. The cathedral stands next to the Broletto, the medieval town hall. Walk through Piazza Duomo and browse the outdoor market on weekend mornings. Just behind the cathedral is the Basilica of San Fedele, a 12th century Romanesque church. The narrow streets are filled with shops, gelaterias, and cafes. Pick up a map and do a self-guided walking tour. The old city walls and the Porta Torre gate are remnants of the medieval defenses. Como is walkable, charming, and full of history. 7. Hike the Greenway del Lago from Colonno to Griante. Put on your hiking shoes and walk the Greenway del Lago, a 10-kilometer scenic trail along the lake's western shore. This path connects the villages of Colonno, Sala Comacina, Osuccio, Leno, and Griante. The trail is mostly flat and easy, following old mule tracks and quiet roads. You will walk through olive groves, past ancient stone chapels, and along the waterfront. Highlights include the view of Isola Comacina, the only island on the lake. You can also see beautiful villas and gardens. The walk takes about 3 to 4 hours without stops. Pack a picnic and take breaks at the small beaches. The trail is well marked and suitable for most fitness levels. This is the best way to experience the lake's authentic, slow-paced village life away from the tourist crowds. 8. Rent a classic wooden boat or a small motorboat. For a truly memorable experience, rent a small boat for the day. You do not need a special license to drive a slow motorboat on Lake Como. Several rental shops in Bellagio, Varenna, and Menaggio offer hourly or daily rates. You can explore hidden coves, quiet bays, and smaller villages that ferries do not reach. Pack a cooler with Prosecco and snacks. Anchor near a secluded spot and jump into the refreshing water. Drive under the old stone bridges and past the elegant villas. You can also rent a classic wooden speedboat with a private driver for a romantic sunset cruise. Seeing the lake from your own boat gives you a sense of freedom and privacy. This is the ultimate luxury experience on Lake Como. 9. Indulge in local specialties: risotto, lake fish, and gelato. You cannot leave Lake Como without eating the local food. The signature dish is risotto con pesce persico, a creamy risotto made with perch from the lake. The fish is delicate and sweet. Another specialty is misoltino, sun-dried shad served with polenta. For a quick lunch, try tetun, a soft cheese spread on crusty bread. The lake region is also known for its light, fruity olive oil. Save room for gelato. The best shops make it fresh daily. Try the Bazio flavor, which tastes like chocolate and hazelnut. For a sweet treat, order miascia, a rustic cake made with stale bread, dried fruit, and almonds. Eat it warm with a scoop of ice cream. The food here is simple, fresh, and deeply tied to the land and water. 10. Watch the sunset with a glass of spritz at a lakeside cafe. Finally, end your day the Italian way. Find a cafe with a terrace overlooking the water. Order an Aperol Spritz, a refreshing mix of Prosecco, Aperol, and soda water. It comes bright orange with a slice of orange. Sip it slowly as the sun begins to dip behind the mountains. The sky turns soft pink and purple. The lights of the villages start to twinkle across the water. The lake becomes calm and still. This is the magic hour that painters and poets have tried to capture for centuries. You do not need to do anything else.